Morning, guys. I got my protective gear on. I'm about to hop on the electric unicycle and go to the welfare office. I gotta do some official shit there. Womp womp. And it's not really the best weather to be riding in, but hey, what can I do? I gotta go. And I don't wanna walk, it's too far, and I gotta go elsewhere later, so I'm riding, albeit slowly. Here we are, guys. Hate this fucking place, but I don't think I gotta be here for long. I got a pretty good plan. Let's see if it works out. Hey guys, I'm back home from the government thing. It's actually pretty nice. They told me I don't have to show up anymore because I just showed them today that I did all the stuff that I need to with the educations. So at the very least now I have been accepted to the one online education I'm not really that interested in. It starts on the 12th of this month. But hey, I'm just gonna have to go through with it because the teacher's education doesn't actually start when I thought it would. It starts a bit later. And yeah, I'm just making some eggs now. Oh yeah, I basically spent all day today because I just had to spend like 20 minutes doing the stuff I needed to with the educations. And yeah, I ended up spending the rest of the day talking to this nice girl. Got her number too. Now, that doesn't really mean much these days. Let's see if she's actually interested. I don't know. You know, I don't really care if anything. Like when I'm talking to girls, these days I do not care if it's just gonna be platonic or if anything intimate comes out of it. I honestly don't care one way or another. If I can just get a friend, if I can just get someone I can share a meal with here and there, that's more than enough for me. But yeah, I guess I've gotten a little better at shooting my shot here and there. But of course, I understand. It's 2026 now, and getting a girl's number doesn't actually mean anything. So let's see if this turns into anything. I've invited, well, I've basically said that she's into baked goods, and I'm like, I make the best fucking chocolate chip cookies, these giant motherfuckers, and I'm like, yeah, I'll make those for you one day. Or, you know, we can just eat some dinner together. I can cook us some dinner. She's she's young. She's not as good as cooking as I am. But let's see. Gonna eat some food, relax for a while, and then I gotta go to the doctor. I'm not quite gonna have this surgically removed yet, but I am going to talk to the doctor about this and about a few other things. I don't really have much to talk about these days, honestly. I'm sorry, guys. I try and spice these videos up with talking when nothing much is happening, but this is what I'm eating. You know me. I'm standing here outside of my doctor's place, smoking a cigarette. That's crazy. Still got 10 minutes or so before it's my time. It's a pretty good location for a doctor. It's right next to me. It took 10 minutes to get here.
Isn't the hook as we ring up? Hi.
Okay, I just went to the doctor. He looked at the blood test I had done some months ago, and he said everything looks good, everything looks fine. And then basically I was instructed to go here to get a type of medicine for dealing with a skin issue I have around my neck. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to the apothecary and get that medicine. I'm kind of broke, but I wanna get this shit fixed. So let's go. Guys, I got good news and I got bad news. So the good news is my doctor concluded that the bumps on my eyelids were severe enough to require surgical removal. So he gave me a referral that I can hand off to it's just a digital referral, but basically proof that I can hand off to an eye doctor to be able to get the surgery on my eyelids for free. And also I got a recept. What do you call it? Like I got I have a skin condition around my neck, and he concluded that I would need medication in order to get that under control. So he also wrote me a paper to be able to go to the apothecary and get that. So I got that now. So now I just have to apply the cream to my neck and chest area for the next 4 weeks. Every day, once a day. And then the issue should go away. And what else? I think that's about it. Yeah, referral for the eye doctor. Oh yeah, and also the blood test came back fine, like there was no issues. I got everything I need. I got a decently healthy diet. Like everything's good. So now I just gotta apply my cream, call the eye doctor tomorrow, make a reservation for the first surgery. I doubt they're gonna do both eyelids at the same time. Like I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna have to wear an eye patch for a day or two. So I'm probably gonna have to go twice, but things are moving along. I'm getting shit done. It's nice. Can't wait to finally be able to edit my videos without looking at those bumps on my eyelids all the time. But I'm going back home now. I was talking to Stony on my way here. I'm gonna hop on, see if he's still on there. Alright guys, I'm at the Rema 1000. I bought everything I need for homemade durum again. This time with gyros, which is pork rather than chicken because it's more calorically dense. It was only 4 krona more. I got the lettuce for 2 krona today. That's why I figured, man, might as well. I was about to buy some pork meat for flattening and making schnitzel, but I decided upon this instead because it's so damn delicious. I love homemade durum. But yeah, I'm starting to run out of money, man. I got a few things for sale on the Danish version of Craigslist. Let's hope I sell something there, otherwise I'm gonna be a little screwed. I know my cousin would help me out if I'm fucked, but I don't wanna have to resort to that. I wanna be able to take care of myself, but it ain't easy, man. It ain't easy. But you know, positive thing is soon I'll be getting study money. Which reminds me, tomorrow I gotta call the education that I've signed up for. I've been enlisted in the education essentially, so I just gotta call them tomorrow about the whole study money thing, because otherwise it's gonna be 2 to 4 weeks before I get anything, and that's way too long for me to wait. I gotta get something on the 1st of February preferably. Also tomorrow I gotta call the eye doctor in town and book a time so I can finally have these bumps surgically removed. But yeah, I'm just talking to Stony or hanging out with him in voice chat right now. Gonna go home, cook some food. I bought 4 packs of instant noodles and a chocolate milk as well. It's just cheap calories, whereas this is more about flavor, but it's still cheap, you know. The meat is 29, the bread is 10, the lettuce 2, and I already got the garlic sauce at home. Going back to Stony now.